बनारस एक ऐसा शहर जहां आकर लगता है मानो वक्त ठहर सा गया है, जिसकी सजीव चेतना इतिहास से भी पुरानी है। और यही खासियत है जिसकी वजह से इसका अस्तित्व आज भी बरकरार है।
Banaras is the most visited pilgrimage destination in all of India. One of the 7 holy cities, one of the world's oldest living cities, and is rightly called the religious capital of India. It rests on the left bank of the holy river Ganga and is one of the 7 sacred spots for Hindus. Every devout Hindu hopes to visit the city at least once in a lifetime, take a holy dip at the famous ghats of the Ganga, walk the pious Panchkoshi road that bounds the city, and, if God wills, die here in old age. Day and night the fire burns at Manikarnika Ghat, and the remains of the dead are scattered upon the river. Myths and hymns speak of the waters of the Ganges River as the fluid medium of Shiva's divine essence. The gentle waters of Ganges, the boat ride at sunrise, the high banks of ancient ghats, the array of shrines, the meandering narrow serpentine alleys of the city, the fragrance of incense, the palm and cane parasols, the devotional hymns, all offer a kind of mystifying experience that is unique to the city of Shiva. To the Hindus, the Ganges is a sacred river, and any town or city on its bank is believed to be auspicious.
And a bath in the river is believed to wash away all of one's sins.
But Varanasi has a special sanctity, for it is believed that this is where Lord Shiva and his consort Parvati stood when time started ticking for the first time. The place also has an intimate connection with a host of legendary figures and mythical characters who are said to have actually lived here. As per Hindu mythology, the creator Brahma himself created Dashashwamedh Ghat to welcome Lord Shiva and sacrifice 10 horses in a yajna, hence the name Dashashwamedh Ghat, where Dasha means 10, Ashwa means horses, and Medh means sacrifice. Every evening, thousands of visitors assemble at this ghat to view the spectacle of evening Aarti in Varanasi. Though this tradition itself may be thousands of years old, in modern days the Aarti is a choreographed show with priests in traditional Indian clothes using huge deepams and cressets and moving to the tune of melodious Aarti and bhajans. Hundreds of pilgrims, photographers, and tourists rent boats to watch the show as it unfolds every evening. Spectators occupy every inch of the ghats, boats, and even nearby rooftops on hotels and ashrams. It is indeed something to be seen, to be cherished. All these elements adds to the energy of the place. The ghats are undoubtedly the most valuable assets of Varanasi. None can imagine this holy city sans its numerous ghats that dot nearly 7-kilometer arc line of the Ganges riverfront between the confluence of the river Asi in the south and the Varna in the north. But there are more to these ghats than just bathing and cremating. Each of the 84 ghats of Varanasi holds some special significance.
in Banaras, you realize that its complex interaction of religious ideas, cultures, and traditions, along with the sense of what the country is, which adds up to the idea of our India, one set apart from the physical and geopolitical concept of Western colonial thinking.